Hi guys, today we are going to use Pandas, candle patterns and VectorBT to make some profitable strategy. Many traders use candle patterns, but they don't know it's working or not. And for check it, we need to test all cases, it's working or not on history, and make some hypotheses and test it. If it working, we could use it in production. So let's do it. And today we are using also library. New libraries would be pandas_ta. This is a library for technical indicators, and let's I show you how to use it. Okay, so let's create a copy of data Binance. It would be copy of data frame, and we need to indicate would be copy. Also, let's create some candles, and we need to call TA from this library and call method CDL pattern. If you would like to create all patterns, we need to indicate it like all. Let's do it. What happens? Let's check using. Okay, so we create some candle patterns. Let's calculate count of these patterns. 62. Okay, and we need to combine this two data frame. We need to use concat. We indicate with the data candles, and we would like to join this data frame by axis 1. Okay, let's check what happens. Data. Okay, we have two data frame in one data frame. It's concat. And next we need to create target variables. So let's do it, and would be target names. Also we need to indicate commission for broker. Let's create this variable in loop for in range from 1 hours to 12 for in range. Let's create name, would be, for example, expected change. Okay, I, and let's append this name to empty list, target name I mean. Let's create this column, would be I would like to get close data and calculate percent change, indicate I, and we need to shift this data. Okay, let's minus fees, our fees. Okay, and what else? Let's check it. For example, we'd like to get target variables, target names, indicate. Okay, I got it. Let's check what happens with price when candle pattern it happens. For example, you see we have CDL Hammer. Okay, this is some cases. Let's calculate value counts true. It's percent of change. How often it happens? Only 2% of cases. Okay, let's group by this data. group by, and let's use CDL Hammer. Let's check what happens after 12 hours, and I would like aggregate this data by several useful statistics like summary and mean, for example. Let's do it. Okay, we have some positive statistic, including commission, so it means we could create some profitable strategy, but I would like to know what happens after 1 hour. Okay, means we couldn't make profitable strategy if we hold 1 hour, if we hold 2 hours also not working, 3 not working, let's 4 for example, from 4 hours working, 5. Okay, I need some charts to understand this data. Let's do it. For example, what we need take out data, indicate data would be candle hammer, and I would like to take data when 100 means this station it happens. What else? And we need input our target names. Okay, and we got all data. These target names when this situation is happens, and I need to calculate cumulative returns, consum, and plot this data with size, for example 30 and 10. Okay, it's more clarify for me. It means if I hold this position more than 4 hours, I could generate profit from this. And what else? We need to test it. Let's do it. For example, let's create some simple ideas. It would be, for example, entries long. We did it before. Data CDL Hammer. True and false. It means entries long would be this situation. If it happens, it would be true. If not happens, it would be false. Exits long would be when we indicate our entries long when it happens 12 hours ago. If it happens, we need to exit from this position. False. Okay. Now we could create some portfolio. We are going to use VectorBT portfolio from signals. Let's indicate data close, data entries long, data exits long. Let's calculate this result without commission. And let's wait what happens. Okay, so you see it profitable. Let's calculate statistics. Return better than benchmark, and win rate is about 57%, profit factor 1.66. Okay, and I would like to indicate fees, our commissions, working or not. It's working. Let's see, commission. Okay, in general it's working, but I would like to improve these ideas. I need some good money management for this position. Let's create the best parameters. I'd like to create some range, stop loss from 0.5% to 5% for one trade, and step would be 0.5%, would be stop loss, and take profit it's same, and I would like to use trailing stop. It would be also NumPy range. Okay, let's create some results. It would be empty list, for example, and we need to push useful information for this list. But before, let's create signal, entries long, and PV data candle hammer would be 100. True if it happens, false, another situation, and exits long. Also we create cases, entries why I haven't, yes, the same, it's correct, shift 12, because I would like to hold position 12 hours. If it happens, be true and false. Let's create several looping loop for stop in, stop loss. Also, I would like to loop take profit, for example, the take in take profit, and for TR would be like trailing stop in TR stop. Okay, let's create our portfolio. Would be VBT portfolio from signal. Yes, indicate we use close, our time series for Bitcoin. Entries would be entries long, exits would be exits long. Yes, I want it. Also indicate our fees, commission, and stop loss, the stop. Okay, would be take, and stop loss trail would be TR. Okay, when the situation happens, we need append results to filter it after this multiplier backtesting. For example, stop losses. The best parameters will be stop, is our dictionary, take profit, take, what else? Trail. Let's do trail. TR and statistic. Let's would be short name like stat. We got object from portfolio and indicate returns stats. Okay, looks fine. Let's check haven't error. What else? It takes some time, maybe 1 minute. Let's do another script to save our time. We create comprehensive list and we need to loop this all results and find the best situation with the best parameters. So let's do it. If for e in results, if this is dictionary and we need get key, and what is key would be we got key statistics, and you see we have in the statistics another information, for example, like total return, and yes, we need total return, and we need to indicate this total return. Let's do it, total return, and we would like to get all data, for example, better than 30%, because we need to understand what parameters would be the best for us. It takes some time. Let's do it. It looks correct. Maybe results get start. Yeah, maybe it's okay. Okay, what is best parameters? 32. Okay, I see. For example, total return is about 38% with commission. In this time we have benchmark return is about 0. Looks not bad. So let's use, for example, stop loss 5%, take profit 2%, and trail is about 1%. Let's check it here, and I would like to create a gain, and what would be we have is about 5%. It's true. Where is, yeah, GR this trail would be 7, and we need to calculate statistics. Okay, let's look at the results, and you see we have good results. Well, because we need to use money management, because if we not use it, we could hold bad position very long time. It's not good for strategy. So in this case, for example, we have drawdown is about 60%, 17%, and what else? Max drawdown duration too long. Let's do statistics here. Is less, drawdown is less, but this money management is good for me, and I could use it dependency for trading strategy. For example, in your case, you could take another candle patterns and using this virtual notebook replace hammer patterns for another patterns and test it how it's working. For example, let's do it candles columns. Okay, and next time I show you how to analyze all these patterns using Pandas. It could be faster analysis, and because when you're like data scientist, you need reject not predictable feature and concentrate your attention only on those features what working for you. So guys, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.